Hi folks. Welcome. Here are top 5 situational-based interview questions for a test lead. 1. Can you describe a situation where you had to deal with a difficult team member or stakeholder during a testing project, and how did you handle it? Answer: in a recent testing project, one of our team members was consistently missing deadlines, which was impacting the overall project timeline. I scheduled a one-on-one meeting with the team member to discuss their progress and identify any potential roadblocks. During the meeting, I discovered that the team member was feeling overwhelmed with the workload and was having trouble prioritizing tasks. We worked together to create a plan for better task management, and I provided additional support and resources to help them stay on track. By addressing the issue early on and providing the necessary support, we were able to ensure the project's success. 2. Tell me about a time when a testing project didn't go according to plan. How did you identify the problem, and what steps did you take to get the project back on track? Answer: during a testing project, we identified a critical defect in the software, which required extensive debugging and additional testing. As a result, the project timeline was significantly delayed. I immediately met with the development team to identify the root cause of the defect and understand the impact on the overall project timeline. We worked together to create a plan to fix the defect, reprioritize testing tasks, and communicate the revised timeline to stakeholders. We also implemented more thorough testing processes to prevent similar defects from occurring in the future. 3. Can you walk me through a complex testing project you led, and how you managed the testing team's workload and priorities throughout the project? Answer: in a complex testing project, I utilized a project management tool to create a detailed project plan that identified key milestones and deliverables. I also held regular meetings with the testing team to discuss progress, identify roadblocks, and prioritize tasks based on the project plan. I ensured that the team members had the necessary resources and support to complete their tasks, and I provided regular updates to stakeholders on project progress. By effectively managing the team's workload and priorities, we were able to successfully complete the project on time and within budget. 4. Describe a situation where you had to make a difficult decision about whether to release a product or not. What factors did you consider, and how did you communicate your decision to stakeholders? Answer: during a testing project, we identified a critical defect in the software that could potentially impact the end-user experience. As the test lead, I had to make a difficult decision about whether to release the product or delay the release to fix the defect. I consulted with the development team, product owners, and other stakeholders to understand the severity of the defect and its impact on the end user. After weighing the risks and benefits, we decided to delay the release to fix the defect. I communicated the decision to stakeholders and provided regular updates on the progress of the fix. 5. Tell me about a time when you had to collaborate with a cross-functional team, such as developers or product managers, to resolve a testing issue. How did you approach the situation, and what strategies did you use to ensure effective communication and collaboration? Answer: during a testing project, we encountered a critical defect that required collaboration between the testing team, development team, and product owners to resolve. I scheduled a meeting with all stakeholders to discuss the issue and create a plan for resolution. During the meeting, I ensured that everyone had an opportunity to share their perspectives and ideas. We created a plan that included a clear definition of the problem, a timeline for resolution, and regular checkpoints for progress updates. We also implemented an open communication policy to ensure that everyone was informed of any updates or changes to the plan. That's all, folks. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.